Good morning, guys! Happy Tuesday! Today is December 6. Mag-cornflakes lang sila. Oh, let me know when to stop. That's alright? More? Bilis maubos ng cornflakes namin. Yeah, I will put milk in a minute. Okay. More? Oh, good kuya. Big boy ka talaga. Yeah. That's enough. Si Jan, binibihisan niya si Holly. Okay, here. Sugar. Yeah, you need sugar. Sugar.
Good morning. He doesn't do one. He does a dance.
Siya daw maglagay ng sugar. And hindi pa ito papasok. Okay. Oh, you don't want a big spoon? Okay, you can get a small spoon. I'm just gonna mix the sugar. Ito kasi pang serving to. Serving spoon yan. Okay. Gawa ko na sila ng bao. Vegemite and cheese? Vegemite and cheese sila ngayon. Kahapon ham and cheese, ngayon Vegemite and cheese. Yung nakuha ko palang sliced cheese na gusto nila kuya ay yung light. 25 less fat. Kaya pala sa ni kuya, bakit hindi raw ganun ang lasa dati? Sabi ko, pagtingin ko, ay light pala. Gusto nila original. So, ayan yung Vegemite. Yan. Lalagyan ko lang yan ng cheese and cat. And yan yung lunch nila. Tapos na sila mag-breakfast. Painumin lang ni Jen si Sak ng gamot. Green one. Ito kay Holly to. Baba, where's your lunch box? Ayan kay Holly. Yan yung snack niya. Yeah, but you don't have to eat that. No. So, mayroon siya ulit na. Okay, see you. Mauna na si kuya kasi si Holly ihatid ni Jan. Idagdag ko rin to sa kanya. So, ayan na yung kanyang lunch. Yan yung apple niya. Ayan. Okay, see ya. Listen and learn. Okay, hug mommy. Okay, bye-bye. See ya. What do you wanna eat for lunch? Guys, lunchtime na. Si Jan kanina. Again? Mocha dog again?
Yeah, but if that mocha dog that I beat was from the bed, that's bad.
Mag-mocha dog daw siya. Meron ditong pagkain. We still have caldereta. What's caldereta? You don't know what's caldereta? What did you say about my clothes? Maglabas ko guys, sabi ni Sak, Mom, I can see your belly. Yeah, crop top pa more. Ayan kasi yung suit. Hindi ko lang kung makikita. Wait lang. Ayan. So, nakita niyo yung tummy ko lumalabas kasi gumanon naman. Ayan. Sabi niya, Mom, I can see your belly. You need to do exercise. Grabe siya. Basher ko si Sam. Kita daw yung belly ko. Hindi naman, oh. So, yan yung suot ko ngayon dito sa bahay. Natawa ko kayo. Tapos pinagtawanan niya. Pungag-pungag pa rin ako. Naglalaba pala ako, guys. And si Jan, hindi ko siya na-vlog. Naglinis siya ng amrak na car. And then, alis kami sa, guys, sa Sunday, early in the morning, 5 o'clock. Dapat, ang alis namin papuntang Melbourne is Saturday. Kaso, ano ba yung sinasabi ko, naputol tayo? Here he is. What you got for Saka boy? Naputol tayo, guys. Hindi ko naman bakit. Huwag naman sana itong sirang camera. Oh, ang pasyente namin, tingnan niyo. Ang sarap ng buhay, oh. Sarap ng buhay niya. Hindi pumasok. May sinasabi ako sa inyo kanina, pero naputol siya. Alis kami pupunta kami ng Melbourne sa Sunday. Early morning ang alis namin. Sabi ni Jen, alas 5 daw. Dapat ang alis namin is Saturday morning. Kaso, si Kylie, mamaya ko na lang sabihin sa inyo, nandito si Sak. Mamaya na lang. Maririnig niya. Surprise namin yun sa kanila. Okay, mamaya na lang. Nag-edit ako, pero hindi pa. Transfer pa lang to ng mga files. Ayan, nag-edit ako. Pero sana matapos ko siya. Parang ang putla natin. Kain muna ako. Kasi di ba may tira pa tayong kaldereta. Si Sak, tapos na siyang kumain. Kaldereta. And may kanin na ako dyan. Parang may something saan. And eto, oh my God. Okay, initin ko muna yung kaldereta. Kasi kakain tayo ng lunch. Late na. Late lunch na to, guys. Anong oras na? Mag-ano na, guys? Mag-alas 2. Mag-alas 2. No, 1:40 pa lang naman. Okay. And bumili si Jan ng tinapay kasi light. Ano lang daw light? Hindi yan light. Mag-light dinner lang daw kami. Parang yung clubhouse sandwich. Yun daw ang gawin ko mamaya. Kasi sobrang busog niya from last night. Tapos may mga tayo dessert. So gusto niya kumain ng dessert. So light dinner daw tayo tonight. Okay, initin ko muna tong calderette. Hindi ko naman yung nautos lahat. Ayan. Diba ang kanin ko naman. Kuha tayo ng juice. Juice. Isak, ayaw niya nang kumain kasi, diba, binilan siya ng daddy niya. Si Jen, hindi naman yung kumakain. Hindi siya kumakain. Ha? In here what?
Hanging.
Ha?
Hanging in here.
Hanging? No, I'm not outside.
No, in here.
No, outside. Because there's a sun. Okay, kain muna tayo, guys.
Yeah, we're hanging.
Okay, kain muna po. May chili flakes pala ako. Si Jan kasi, masarap kasi ang kaldereta. Masarap ang kaldereta pag may hint ng spiciness. Si Jan kasi, hindi niya kaya ang, nasisira ang tiyan niya sa mga anghang. Okay, kain po. Kain. Inom muna tayo ng juice. Hindi ako nag-breakfast. Ito yung first meal ko ngayong araw. Nagtubig lang ako kanina. Kasi nga, dahil dito sa ating, we need more water. Hindi kasi ako uminom ng gamot, pero feeling ko, inom na ako ng gamot kasi sabi ni Jan, hindi raw maalis. Kasi ilang araw na to, diba? Nandiyan pa rin yung ating sipon. Tapos parang, kung sabi ko, pungag-pungag, yung pagsalita ko parang, basta, iba. Kaya sabi ni Jan, uminom na raw ng gamot. Kasi hindi ito mawawala. Tapos aalis kami. In fairness dito sa chili flakes, maanghang siya ha. Ito yung Master Foods. Maanghang siya. Ngayon silang ang init. So, madamig. Mag-amang naglalaro ng golf sa phone. Magang siya ng clothes. Di pa ako tapos kumain. I'm still eating. And sisakit siya magsampay. Ayun yung kalderetang may chili flakes. And nanonood ako habang kumakain.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Tapos na siya magsampay. Thank you! Thank you, boy. Zeki boy. Are you hungry? No, of course not. Tapos na akong kumain and eto na yung dessert natin. Sabi ni Jan, wag ko na ubusin. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Wag ko na ubusin, sabi ni Jan. Si Sak mag sticky rice. Biko, yan na yung cream niya.
Biko.
Biko. Uy. Is that enough?
No.
More?
Yep.
Okay. Welcome. Napagod siya magsampay. Pagod ka magsampay na. Oh, careful! Ano? Zerap. Slow down. Wow. So good. So good. Ani boy tsaka kay Holly to. This is Daddy and Holly. Later. Dito na mga estudyante. Hi. Say hi to my vlog. What's that?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum?
I had two and I ate two.
Oh.
And then, cause your teacher got me.
Got you. Kuya teacher. Si Kuya ang magsasampay ng bedsheets. And aalis sila maya-maya din. Kasi meron silang play sa school, pero gagawin sa hall. Sa Bay Hall. Dito kami sa labas.
Dad, I got another big one. Oh, do the other ones first.
Si Kuya pala doon pa rin, no? Kasi
Grab them.
tinuturuan ko si Kuya magsampay ng yung bedsheets. Ang laki daw. Babe, what's this? Is that... Babe, is that from the boat?
No, she wear that one tonight.
That one. Daddy is to the rescue.
I'm not allowed to sit on any chair.
Paan ko si Holly ng damit kasi magpi-play sila. Magpi-play sila. What you gonna play, Kuya? Again? Sabihin ko yes. Alice Wonderland. You gonna play what?
Huh?
You gonna play who?
Lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard Bill.
Yeah, Lizard Bill. And your boss is Ollie? Your boss is Ollie. Yung boss niya is yung best friend niya.
And
Oh.
White Rabbit.
How many lines you gonna say? 4 lines. Etong Tuesday na guys. Labat time. Sampay time.
I can, doesn't mean. I'm gonna forget.
Huh? What are you wearing? What are you got?
Just a
I
trackie.
need to wear trackies. And too, Dad. And but
Supervisor lang nila ako. Ako laging gumagawa niyan. Sila naman ngayon.
green t-shirt and
Yeah, may costume si Kuya.
I accidentally
Magta-trackies lang siya. Tapos yung costume niya nandun na sa hall. Si Holly, summer clothes lang yung gagamitin niya. So, ito yung papasot ko kay Holly kasi summer outfit siya. Ayan, di ba? Mukhang summer naman yan. Ayan yung kanya.
Yeah, you made lots of money.
What's that, babe?
Sausage sizzle. There.
And, hindi raw tayo magluluto.
Where's that?
Hindi naman tayo magluluto. Ano lang sana yung dinner namin? Clubhouse. Magluluto lang ako ng bacon.
pigtails, Mom?
Yeah. Ayan, nakabihis na siya. Aldred, come here, come on.
Oh yeah, I can't do it.
16,000.
Come on. Give me your brush.
49 trophies. When I was on tour.
What you gonna do? Show them.
He lost some.
What song? Ole, 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 ole. I don't.
White shoes, Bob.
White one, the white shoes, honey. Ole, 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 ole. Okay, sing it in your head.
I don't need to wear shoes. I can take them
What? T-shirt wearing.
off. Oh, she's got one there. It's a green one.
Oh, go next. Sorry, go.
Yeah,
You go to Chanel.
I get the water. You're the first one to do it. I'm lost.
Feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay, ayun. spray natin ito.
Mom, watch how high I can blow my bubble.
Oh, careful. So, ito yung laging ginagamit sa kanya.
What?
Natawa ako. Winarningan ako ni Sak. Pag nanood daw ako, wag daw ako. What? What did you say? Not to do what?
Yell out.
Like,
Yeah,
You can't because
no, I'm not gonna because that's not a sports day.
No, but there's people that
Sabi niya.
can't talk. That's I'm one of mine.
Pardon?
Speak loud.
Oh, okay. Maybe I should bring the duct tape.
No, I won't be able to speak loud because I'm always nervous when I'm on stage.
No, you will be alright. Don't worry.
No,
Sabi
no,
siya,
no.
natawa ako kayo sa, Mom, don't yell there, okay? Sabi ko, I'm not gonna yell because that's not a sports day.
But if I do it, I'm next to the exit.
Ayan, ready siya for later. Next time,
Snack time.
strawberries. Isa kanina pa to kain ng kain si Saki.
I'm a pro at cutting.
You're a pro? I don't think so.
Well, this one was.
No, it's not.
This mold.
Huh? No, it's not mold. That's new. It's not mold. Good, Baba? Be careful with your clothes. Ang lalaking strawberries niyan.
I'm too hot in this already.
Oh my God. Baba, you have to catch it with your other hand, huh? Mold, not mold.
A mold. Is it?
Baba, you have to do this with your other hand. Whose yakult is that?
Mine. Okay.
What song is it?
Hot, hot, hot.
Sadie found on the bed.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Go in, go like hot, hot, hot. Go, close your eyes, Baba. Baba. Oi. What? Go. Now when you go like that, that's hot, 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 hot.
Dito na kami guys sa car. Summer na dito pero naka-jacket ako kasi malamig. Time check is 5:21. 6:30 you're gonna perform, right? Yeah? 6:30?
No, we're a bit late.
What do we were a bit
We're
late?
the last person to do it. We're the
You.
last.
Yeah,
I
but
think we're
what time
the
are you gonna
third-
start? 6:30,
no,
right?
7.
No, the other group.
Oh.
6:30.
We're the 4th person to do it.
We're the
Si
first.
Sak, baka sumayaw. So, yeah?
We're the first to go on stage.
You're the first. Hindi pa pala tapos ang concert ni Holly. Sila parang ang puti.
Oh, no.
Hindi pa pala tapos ang concert ni Holly. But this time, ano naman to? School program naman to. Si Sak, pinasot namin ng black kasi baka sumayaw din siya kasi nag-practice naman siya last week. So, naka-black siya. Do I have to yell?
No.
What do I have to do?
You don't
Clap.
Like,
You don't just say, you're DJ.
Now you can do this.
just clap. O, yan lang daw ang dapat kong gawin. Bawal sumigaw. Minarningan na nila ako sa bahay. Tapos dito,
Wait, before we go
nagtatawa lang si Johnny Boy. Are you gonna yell, babe? What you gonna do? Just watch. Parang puti natin dito sa kamerang to. See ya! Mamaya na kayo papasok. Alam na nila kung saan sila pupunta. Magra-ready lang sila. See ya! Okay, punta na tayo sa hall. Dito na yung mga kasama nating ibang parents.
Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
It's not very friendly. I guess there's only one thing left to do.
They haven't said to take the roof off.
Take the roof off, of course. No! We must burn the house down!
Burn, I said take the roof off. If you do, I'll set Dinah at you.
Ah!
Here.
Who's that?
Ouch.
Tapos na yung concert, pipick upin na namin yung kids dito sa likod. I'm here, Kylie! You did very, very well, Holly! Holly said you're the best dancer! Yung best friend yun ni TJ, sabi niya, Holly is the best dancer among them. Right, Mama? Better than? Sabi ni Holly, better than Zach. Nakita niyo na yun si Holly, best friend, isa sa best friend ni Kuya. Yeah, I know.
Well, I'm hungry.
I know. Wala kaming dinner kasi sabi ni Kuya. Where's the sausages, Kuya?
Oh, they lied to me.
They lied to you. Yeah. They're supposed to be, but I don't know what happened. What happened, Kylie? Don't know. Yeah. Meron dapat pero hindi natuloy. I'm not sure. Hindi namin alam kung anong kakainin namin. We don't know what we're gonna eat. Sa ano na, 7:36.
There's nothing open here.
Yeah,
Nothing.
yung fish and chips sarado din. Di ba, gutom lahat. Ako, okay ba? Kasi kumain ako ng ano eh. Yung leftover na ulam kagabi.
Did you hear
Yeah,
me or
sarado
got too
yung-
quiet again?
Sarado. May isa pang fish and chips dito.
Huh?
Sarado din.
Wait,
It's
they're
closed.
selling that blue shop again.
Yeah.
Wala.
Why?
Kuha na lang tayo dito ng ship, guys. Gawin natin roast lamb. Where are you going, babe? Hindi namin alam saan kayo pupunta para kumain. Who's that one?
So,
What about?
we'll have lasagna and spaghetti.
What? At their house?
Good that mom doesn't make
What?
lasagna.
Lasagna. Oh, matagal naman yun ako pag lasagna. Alam.
You
Don't
need
get
to make
on
that.
so I'll leave that jump off.
Mom,
Yeah.
Mom, you need to make that again, lasagna.
Yeah,
I
la
like
lasagna. Gusto nila ng lasagna. Hindi na kami nakakagawa ng
That's
lasagna.
been like 2 or 3 years you haven't.
No. We just had lasagna before.
Wait.
When?
This year we had?
Yeah, Queensland.
Yeah, we made
That
in
was
Queensland.
Wednesday, not you.
That was Friday.
Gusto pala nila lasagna. Layo na yung spaghetti, hindi na ako naglalasagna.
Oh, you did.
So, na-save na tayo, guys. Meron na tayong kakainan. Kila Kylie. Meron daw silang lasagna, spaghetti. Meron naman kami nuggets. Pwede naman sila mag-nuggets kasi may frozen nuggets naman sa
I felt
bahay.
embarrassed when I messed up.
Well, that's why you have to memorize your line. Merong isang line lang si Kuya. Isa lang naman. Apat kasi yung sabihin niya.
I like them. show was like.
Yung kasunod, yung
What
pangatlong line. Which line did you forget, Kuya? The third one.
The second.
Is it
Oh, when
the
I said,
the-
okay, boss, that was still part of my line
Yeah.
into the same sentence, and then.
Then you
and
stop.
Then I went, whoa.
Yeah. What? You said what?
This is not a 5. Whoa. It's you. Your house group arms and legs, and it's not very. It's not friendly.
Yeah. Pero
But they should be very. Put it because
TJ sounds different when he says the lines.
because he has to
That's
be.
nearly finished.
Dito na kami, guys.
Did Joe
Okay.
go with him?
Where?
What do you want, Joey? Oh, what? What's your order, sir? Ah, glass. Alright. Meron ditong, ayan, pasta, lasagna, and ito yung bowls na nabanggit ko na ito sa inyo. Dapat sabay kami dito mag-order, yung pasta bowls. Ayan. Your lasagna almost done, Kuya.
Hey, Jay, grab a fork.
Here, Kuya, here. Yan na yung kay Kuya. Hot. Good, yeah? You want something? Like bread?
It's hot, though, it's sweaty.
Okay, what you gonna say, Baba?
Like that.
What sauce?
You want sauce? Please. There, Kuya. Oh. Holly, be careful with your jumper. Binili pala ito ni Jan sa kanya.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Yung jumper sa town. I know, it's hot. You want some sauce?
It'll be hot.
Very hot. Just be careful.
What have I eaten today?
He hasn't. Nag-lose weight si Joe. Tapos hindi siya kakain. Si Jan, tingnan nyo, kain is life. I said food is life for Jan. Good, babe? Uwi na kami, guys. Say thank you for the dinner. Lahat kami naka-black. We all wear black.
Yeah, with a black guy.
Oh, Max is there.
Hi guys! Insert ko lang po ito kasi meron po akong holiday blowout promo sa aking curry shop. Actually, nag-start siya nung December 14. Maglala siya until December 21. And na-post ko na siya na-post ko na siya sa aking Instagram. Pero alam ko hindi lahat merong Instagram. Kaya insert ko siya dito sa aking vlog para makahabol kayo sa ating holiday blowout promo. Kasi marami sa inyo nagtatanong kung ano yung ginamit ko kay Holly nung concert niya. Well, eto siya guys. Ayan. Eto yung plumping lip tattoo na ang shade ay Rouge Star. Ayan siya guys. Sa curry shop ko siya nakuha. So, dati siyang 850. Ngayon, 540 na lang. Super long lasting to guys. Kaya ito yung ginamit ko kay Holly. Kasi ilang beses din si Holly nagpalit ng damit. And hindi ako nag-worry na magta-transfer o magre-retouch ang lipstick kasi long-lasting to. Kaya, yan yung ginamit natin kay Holly, guys. Lip tattoo. And last month, may trinay ako na super love ko na siya ngayon. Super love ko na siya. Eto, guys, alam niyo naman, di ba, tayong mga babae, pag mayroon tayong menstruation, di ba, may amoy talaga siya, di ba? Aminin natin yan. May amoy talaga yan. Kahit anong gamit nating feminine wash, pag may period talaga tayong may amoy yan. And then, after our period, meron pa rin yan, di ba? Yung patapos na, may amoy talaga siya. Guys, meron na tayong sagot dyan. Eto, guys, na-try ko siya last month talaga. Eto yung tinatawag na inner perfume. Ayan. Lala Rose Day. Yan, yung scent niya ay rose. Eto, guys, Natural Therapy Oil Rose. Super recommend ko to guys. Kasi na-prove ko siya last month. As in, trinay ko talaga siya. And then, etong nagkaroon din ako ngayong December and yes, tanggal amoy talaga siya guys. Highly recommend ko siya. Ang ginagawa ko ay, ito pala yung itsura ng bottle niya. Ayan siya, 5 ml to. Ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko, naglalagay lang ako na siguro mga ilang drops sa aking pads during my period. And, pag wala na naman, patapos na or everyday, pinapata ko lang siya sa aking panty liner na mga siguro, depende. Siguro 5 drops. Pahaba ko siya linalagay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super bango niyan. As in, and the good thing is, hindi ako nagkaroon ng irritation. So, yes, highly recommend ko to sa inyo guys. Kung ayaw nyo nang
bother sa amoy during period natin and yung patapos na, eto ang sagot guys. Dati pala siyang 1,070, ngayon 710 lang siya. And meron pa freebie tayo guys. Sa mga international, ang makukuha nyo, for international muna, sa international, kung ano man yung i-avail nyo sa mga naka-promo nating products, dalawa lang naman yung products na naka-promo, pero meron pa ako sa aking curry shop na mga products na pwede nyo i-add dito sa naka-promo natin. Magkakaroon po kayong freebie na ito yung M Plus na Medica Suicide Sika Cream na 10 ml. Ayan. Travel, ano lang siya, size, guys. Super maganda to. Meron ako yung malaki. Ayan. Pang ilang ko na to. Basta, ilang beses ko na tong, nakailang beses na akong palit. Kasi, lagi ko siyang ginagamit as my moisturizer. So, magkakaroon yung international na freebie na M Plus na 10 ml. Okay? And for Philippines customers, magkakaroon po kayo ng maliit na Chio yung serum. Yung maliit nito guys, hindi ito ha. Yung maliit lang po niyan. Yung serum nila na maliit nito. And free shipping. Okay? Ito talaga, highly recommend ko. I-try nyo lang. And pag nakabili kayo and na-try nyo, comment down below. And lahat ng link ay nasa description box guys ha. Yun lang. So thank you. Bye!
Bahay na kami guys and dessert. Magdi-dessert pa sila. Yes. Rubber?
No,
What's that?
toys. Sophie gave me them.
Did you say thank you?
Yeah.
Let you
I
fly.
slid across the thing when I
Not
was
right.
at home.
Huh?
That's not mine. That's mine.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
He doesn't want that one. He wants that.
It said, as I did it, it said do mine first.
Absolutely.
No, I'm not having
Go have a shower na kuya.
Cover
Sticky.
that one, bud.
Huh?
Cover that one.
Cover this? Tapos na si dyan sa leche flan. Is this your, ayun naman siya, oh. Biko. You done very well, Baba.
You might like this.
Pag masarap, sasabihin niya, hindi mo ito magugustuhan. Kasi ayaw niyang i-share. You have to put the angel here. Yung angel na lang ang kulang dyan. Ilalagay na nila yung angel. Go. I have to, maybe I need a pin. Ayan, ayos na ni Johnny Boy.
Oh, where did you get that from?
Kuya! Medyo tagilid lang.
Dad, look.
Move that a little bit.
Like that. Mom,
Yeah,
that
ayan
means
na.
that light would be there.
Ha? Kasi si Kuya Maligo. Ayan na yung angel. Okay na yung ating Christmas light. Yung mga balls nahulog yung iba, oh.
There's $14 to go.
Ayan yung tatlo. Gusto pa nila maglagay ng mga balls, oh.
Okay, in today's vlog, guys, we're gonna close the vlog. Thank you. Please
Hoy!
please
You finished that
subscribe
one
and comment.
first.
See you next vlog. Bye.
I didn't say we're gonna close the vlog. I said,
You said when Holly's ready.
no, I said help your kuya.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. Haven't yet seen our next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys.
We'll see you tomorrow, and I'm gonna disappear.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in